run of it. Woo! Oh. Woohoo!
Fireworks so bright.
Well, can you hold that?
Mum, how are fireworks so bright?
They actually put a lot of coloured explosives in like a cannon,
Oh.
and then they put the little packet in, light it up, and then shoot it up into a certain height.
Okay.
They have them timed, a certain amount of explosive gets them up high enough so that the ash doesn't come back down. Got it?
You can see some of the fireworks going into the
Woo! Wow, those used to be called big chrysanthemums.
Oh, those are going really high.
They were named after flowers because of the shape and the way they keep going off. And that's all green and orange, isn't it? It's hard to see that actually on the video.
Gold.
Yeah, green and gold. Woo. And over on that side they've got concert, like bands that were going from lunchtime onwards. Woo! Woo!
Those are so big.
Oh, gorgeous. Hey? Woohoo! Woohoo! People actually can go up in planes and fly around the outside of it.